Hey everyone, today we will learn together song from Linkin Park and the title is Indian. Okay, let's try. First, right hand you can press like this. 1 4 4 3 2 2 2 2 3 and this is up. From the 2 and then up to 3. Once again. 1 4 4 3 2 2 2 2 3. 1 4 4 3 2 2 2 2 3. Good, like that. And then left hand you must press like this. D sub, C sub, B, C sub, D sub, C sub, B, C sub. Okay, good. Okay, the next we will play them together like this. Okay, good. Thank you. Please comment what song do you want for the next. Bye bye.